Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to lnx. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to dx over s. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. ds over s we change by du. Next, we use about integration by substitution again. Now, I will put about t equals to the square root of 1 plus u. So I will put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So this one we have u. So I will put about number 1 go to the left. Next, I need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have 2t dt equals to du. So the square root we change by t, about u we change by t squared minus 1. Du we change by this one. Number 2 we put outside t and t, you got about t squared. Next, I will add about negative number 1. Later that we need to minus about, we need to add positive number 1 because I want to create about the factor divided by this one in here. T squared minus 1 divided by t squared minus 1. You got about number 1. We know that this is about identity. We can put about t minus 1, t plus 1. So I will put about number 2 on numerator and denominator. Number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. So I will put positive t in here. Later that we need to minus about t. And this one, that is about negative open parenthesis t minus 1. So t plus 1 divided by t plus 1, t minus 1 divided by t minus 1. So we will have about 1 over t minus 1 minus 1 over t plus 1. 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about t. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of t minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of t plus 1. And we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. We change t into the square root of 1 plus u. About u, that is about this one, lnx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.